Pi pendapat pi hakani government kat ni ke front to ke government NDA kau em khmat andre ke design the den kawan ke balik ke government NDA kau em ini de yo pi ke design the den daman ke BJP de yo pi kam ongan ni ke BJP divide ke apa Manipur pergi ke Meitei ki Kuki de sedang ko divide hani le divide ke pergi ki Kasi bi karo de squeeze kat ni divide no ke ki Jaiñtia bi ki Kasi de ite dau yikrum pyndooh ke BDM kat kam ke jing tmu yang kesik sedul to upen ne IBDM upen bahai IBDM hijau por yo protect IBDM teken de kaman kat ni te Kasi karo na de council de emi Kasi karo Jaiñtia na do ke council ka ktien ke telek de kaman kat ni ha State Anthem yikrum pyndooh ktien Jaiñtia iwa kami bagian re ke sign yang ke division ha pri ke jaj group yang yo em ke jing yang per ke jing per yo em ke jing per ha pri ke jaj group ha pri ke niam ke ter kini to ke division kini to ke idea ke divisive idea yang ke BJP through kini ki bro kat ini de UP kawan ke mot ke BJP em kam em kam ki lang ba ki ni ki nong sensar yang kini ke jing ong ke yang chief minister whatever the chief minister has said is people already understood it much before. So this already he exposed him. In the last election, they said that there's no link between the NPP and the BJP. Today they are exposed. Kong Amperin already said right from the beginning, she is there to coordinate between the people of Meghalaya and Delhi through the BJP. That means now they have been exposed. Before they tried to hide it behind the curtain, but today they have been exposed. I think the BJP compelled them to confess to the people of Meghalaya. The BJP wants to know what is the moods of the people, what is the strength of the people of Meghalaya. Now it's our turn to show our strength, it's our turn to show our unity amongst us. I think that is very important.